Good evening, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Times newspaper headline. So, first of all, pension rage workers strike across France. Next, central banks vows to stay the course on high rates until inflation is tamed. Next, number of EU bankers earning above European 1 million soar to record following Brexit. Next, fines for dirty money failings rise more than 50%. Next, Genesis set to collapse. Next, judgment admonishes EY. Next, BHP totes China's clout. Next, KKR curbs redemptions. Next, XI fears COVID spread. Next, UK government shutdown. Then I comes the next. Investors stow away cash in Fed's reserve repo facility. Then I comes to page number 2 in international section that France hit by strikes over pension reform. Next, demand and government at odds on extent of rates increases. Next, crude price drop and G7 cap rattle Kremlin. Next, DeSantis backers plan spending blitz in push for White House. Then I comes to page number 3 in international section under that Ukraine uh, allies to step up pressure on Berlin for dispatch of Leopard tanks. Next, China is back. Liu tells top executives at private Davos discussions. Next, US poised to send Striker combat vehicles. Next, Nigeria holds out against OECD corporate tax deal. Next, stage set in Washington for debt ceiling slowdown showdown. Sorry. Then I comes to page number 4 in international section under that Lula to rethink pace of Brazil's reform after pro Bolsonaro riots. Next, Molina attempts to plot path between US and China. Next, Ardern's exit New Zealand PM to step down. Next, excise warn of COVID spread in rural areas as millions travel to celebrate Lunar New Year. Next, on page number 5 in companies and market section under that penalties for failing to stop financial crime increase 50%. Next, Bunker Buster LIV Golf agrees breakthrough deal to show tournament on CW network. Next, judge says EY failed to act on fraud signals at Wirecard. Next, investors look for bottom of tech sector downturn amid job cuts. Then I comes to page number 6 in companies and market section under that KKR real estate fund caps redemptions. Next, Brazil retailer at the heart of scandal files for bankruptcy protections. Next, passion economy platforms rein in ambitions. Next, Genesis risk becoming latest crypto casualty. Next, investors beat at retreat from space sector. Then I comes to page number 7 in companies and market section under that Peltz claims lavish Fox purchase was moment Disney lost the plot. Next, report warns of increase in online terror content after jobs cut. Next, Olympic lioness honor plans spake float. Next, activist fund calls on KT and G to triple dividend. On page number 8 in companies and market section under that investors pump trillions a day into ultra safe Fed facilities. Next, rise in China demand will add stability, says BHP. Next, defendant in New Jersey $100 million Delhi alleged fraud case arrested in Thailand. Next, South Korea eases regulation to attract overseas flow and join global index. Then I comes to page number 9 in companies and market section under that the day in the market. Next, Putin's energy war is just as flawed as his military one. On page number 12 in art section under that is sprawling tribute to a golden age of movies. Next, on page number 13 in financial big rich energy section under that can Britain realize its nuclear ambition? Next, on page number 14 in a financial times view section under that battle over European drug pricing. Next, Britain's adoption system is under server strain. Next, climate crisis needs business school to natural scientists. Next, how the UK's main parties can prove green credential. Next, debt solution require more stick, less carrot. Next, family businesses are widely misunderstood. Next, Microsoft move into generative AI looks costly. Next, give EV owner real-time data on charging points. Next, charities are left out in the cold by the energy squeeze. Next, why stuffing boxes of cereal is a quantum leap. Next, on page number 15 in opinion section under that, great power conflicts puts the dollar's exorbit- exorbitant privilege under threat. Next, we the people are to blame for Britain's woes. Next, 4 is the new 2 on inflation for investors. Next, Google Translate for the zoo, how humans might talk to animals. Next, 3 big weaknesses hold the UK back compared with our more prosperous peers. That much for today. Thanks for watching.